Wow, this should be a really quick and dirty video here today. So usually Fridays I reserve today to do my Fast Friday, which is like a really quick video, like usually under 3 minutes, usually, where it's like I talk about something, tip or trick, whatever. But today it's not that. It's not a tip or a trick. It's just me complaining about trying to sell my drone. I've been trying to sell my Phantom 4 Advanced for the better half of a month, and it has been a struggle. I don't know, have any of you ever gone through this where you've tried to sell something and you just get nickeled and dimed, beat up? I'm sure we all go through it, right? Some things are easier to sell than others. I would have totally thought that selling a drone would have been pretty simple or straightforward, or easy for that matter, but it's not like selling a phone at all. Do I have toothpaste on my face? It's not like selling a phone. I can put an iPhone up on any sort of website and it's gone within 3 days, instantaneously. But a drone, I don't know if it's because people are not educated on what they're buying, but I get the craziest offers. So initially I started out selling the Phantom 4 Advanced for $850. It's a pretty fair price. You're getting a case, you're getting a battery, you're getting 2 batteries, ND filters, travel case, 3 sets of props for $850, right? That's pretty good steal, right? I listed it on OfferUp, I listed it on Facebook Marketplace, and I tried eBay. eBay's a joke if you don't sell something, by the way. Crazy, they still hit you with a fee. What the hell? I've tried 3 of these places. OfferUp has been the absolute worst. People want to trade you things, they want to offer you ridiculous lowball offers, and they just don't stop. I even had a guy offer me a jar of peanut butter, and I had to ask him whether it was crunchy or creamy. It's very tough, and it makes me believe that we need a used marketplace, like more so now than ever. I was contemplating starting something like this up myself. I just really don't have the resources or the time to attribute to it. So please, somebody, create a used marketplace, a safe marketplace where we can verify serial numbers, make sure things aren't hot, whatever, for drones. I would love to see Carolina Drones start a marketplace, like an online resource where they can take a small fee from somebody who's wanting to sell. They get it like a verification, sort of like Swappa does, where you verify it, everything's good on their end, and then they could take like a fee for helping you host the sale, whether it be for like $5-10. I would totally pay $5 or $10 to somebody to help me sell a product so I don't have to go through OfferUp. And you already know that people are going through these companies are knowing what they are looking for. Somebody on OfferUp, they see a drone, they think it's like a toy drone, and they're gonna give you crazy crappy prices. I don't know, it's been a mess trying to sell it, but I'm prepping for the Evo. I typically will sell a drone and get a new drone and rinse, repeat that process to try to mitigate some of the costs. Just a normal person with a camera and a computer, so I have to act like a normal person when I make purchases. So I don't know, just a quick video on that. I just find it really frustrating that people lowball the hell out of you for a product that has never been crashed and is just in awesome shape. So somebody make a marketplace for drones. That's it. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm Original Dobo. I'll see you next time.